The National Police Commission may come out this week with its recommendations against 3 so-called narco generals. Let's hear the full story from Aya Macalma.
The National Police Commission is on track in its probe of 3 active police generals linked to the illegal drugs trade. The 3 include Police Director Joel Pagdilao and Chief Superintendents Edgardo Tino and Bernardo Diaz. NAPOLCOM Vice Chairman Attorney Rogelio Casurao said they are now in the evaluation stage of their investigation, having completed gathering the necessary evidence against the so-called narco generals. He said the 3 submitted various documents required by NAPOLCOM, including statements of assets, liabilities, and net worth. According to Casurao, they may be able to come up with their recommendation within the week if there is a probable case against the 3 generals.
Our job, we call this, hinahanap po natin kung may probable cause. Ang probable cause is that legal document that would allow the commission to go into an administrative hearing of the case. So, nasa stage na tayo ngayon yan. Our team is working very closely on this, and in probably in 3 days I will already receive a report from the team on whether we can hold the respondents for administrative proceeding upon the finding of a probable cause.
He also said only administrative charges may be meted by NAPOLCOM against the 3 police generals, with the criminal cases handled by the appropriate courts.
That's the mandate that we can only respond to. Kung ang issue lang sa amin lagi is there is a breach of discipline, there is an indication that a public officer is no longer fit to continue serving the country. Along these lines, yan ang inquiry namin. So it's more on whether to retain you in the government service or remove you from the government machinery. But it can also be in the form of demotion of rank kung mapapatunayan mo na the set of evidence cannot warrant a dismissal, pero uubra na i-demote by 1 rank lower or suspension as the case may be. So dito lang umiikot actually ang participation ng NAPOLCOM. The more serious matters like imprisonment, if there is any like itong tinatawag natin ng mga you are barred from holding public office, mga kaakibat ito, accessory penalties na kasama sa mga imprisonment.
For PTV News, this is Waywaya Macalma.
Hi, ako si Ria Fernandez. Mag-subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang ang subscribe button.